Unlock your next grail by using that Visa gift card on GOAT. First things first, open up the GOAT app and find the sneakers or apparel you've been eyeing. Once you've added your chosen items to your cart, tap on the shopping bag icon in the top right corner to proceed to checkout. Now, here's where the magic happens on the checkout screen. You'll see a section for payment methods. Look for an option that says Add Payment Method or something similar. Tap on that to reveal your choices. Among the various payment options, you should find a spot to enter gift card details. Select the option to add a gift card, and then choose Visa. Now, carefully enter your 16-digit Visa gift card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code, just like you would for any online purchase. Make sure all the details are entered accurately. If your order total exceeds the balance on your Visa gift card, you'll be prompted to add a secondary payment method to cover the difference. Once you've entered your gift card information and any necessary additional payment details, simply review your order and hit Place Order. And just like that, you've successfully used your Visa gift card on GOAT. Happy shopping and rock those new kicks!